Chad, can you tell me what you just did there?
So we're removing suspension bushings out of these forward thrust arms to replace them. I actually have a pretty big pile of them right here. I can show you why it's still in the arm. What happens is, let me get it light, is you can see all that cracking that happens right there on the corners down there inside the bushing, and what will end up eventually happening is this centerpiece will actually dislodge itself from the outside, and once it's done that, it is way past no good. So what we do is we try to catch them when they're like this and do them prior to them dislodging.
Right, and I see you're holding an aluminum arm here.
Yep.
This one looks like it has a cast iron arm installed.
Yep, and this one is a cast iron arm. That's why we're just changing the bushing. That one being aluminum, we went ahead and did the whole arm. So that's just kind of something, a rule of thumb, and then what we'll end up doing is just marking this one so we know that we've done it. You can do aluminum arms one time. You just need to mark them, and we mark them with a paint pen just so we know that we've done them, so we don't do them multiple times. But this being cast iron, we could do it a million times if we had to. But doing these bushings, once you get new ones in there, they'll last you at least another 100,000 miles.
Awesome. Thanks, Chad.
Yep.